So, we picked 3 things that work well for us and are on this sheet, and I'll go through them. Our first one is Ambitions, a pop-up restaurant. So for our hospitality and catering group, the tendency we do now is run 2-way pop-ups. So the example I put in there is that we go out to schools. So we run a pop-up restaurant as a kind of one-off event in a local school. It has a multitude of benefits for us. The next one is the Out There Festival. Some of you may be aware of this, but it's kind of the largest circus and street arts festival in Britain, and it's on our doorstep. We work with Sea Change, who run it for a number of years. This year we took it kind of into the next phase, and we're hoping to build it out further. So we gave up all of our creative arts provision 2 weeks in preparation for that.